The CBOE announcing it will no longer list Bitcoin futures once its current contracts expire in June. The exchange battling for trading activity with its rival, the CME. The CBOE was the first exchange to introduce Bitcoin futures back in December 2017. And while, by the way, the looks of this chart may have marked the top. Now, all of this comes as Bitcoin breaks above 4,000. So we thought we'd bring the Bitcoin bug back for this part of the show.
I like having that.
The baller. So if that marked the top, is the end of the futures marking some sort of a bottom?
You know what? I think we could look back on this and say, you know what, that was the bottom. There's a couple things that have gone on since the low in December. You've seen the underlying fundamentals improve. At the low in December, Bitcoin was the cheapest it's been since the bear market ended in 2016. We're starting to see address growth. You're starting to see sentiment like this. This tells me that retail traders are out of the picture because these CBO futures were one contract, so about $3,900 versus CME were 5, so that's 20,000. So I think retail is exhausted. You're starting to see sellers being exhausted and institutions come in. Fidelity is a catalyst coming up in Q2. I think all those things combined, we might look back and say, you know what, in the 3,000s was a great place to buy Bitcoin.
The thought, though, is that when this product launched in December, that this would be a way for institutions to come in as well.
Yes.
And that never came to bear.
No, institutions were a lot slower than we all expected, right? But the other part of it has been there are other avenues that have come along for institutions. Custody has got much better. So institutions can actually buy physical Bitcoin. Both the lending side and the other side, the shorting side of Bitcoin, has gotten more robust. So there's less of a need for these futures contracts at this point.
What about cannabis as an alternate investment too? When you look at these charts, I know everyone says that they don't take one from the other, but whenever I look at the charts, yes, it used to be gold and Bitcoin, and now when you look at the cannabis trade, the money that's flowing in there on a lot of these desks could have been flowing into Bitcoin as well.